back to our channel of Just a Little Food. Today we're making pecan brownies. So let's get started. So here I have 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, which I'll pour over the pecans. And we'll roast that for 10 minutes in the oven. Okay, now I'm going to melt 150 grams of butter and 200 grams of dark chocolate into a water bath. Smells so good. Okay, so the butter and the chocolate is all melted, so I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. I have 1 cup of brown sugar, and I'll just mix that through. And we have 3 lightly beaten eggs. I have 1 cup of plain flour, which I'll sift, and a 1/4 cup of cacao powder, which I'll also sift. Okay, I'll just mix that through. And lastly, we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And combine that together. Okay, the batter is all mixed. I'm going to pour it evenly into the tray. Okay, lastly, we're going to place the maple roasted pecans on top of the brownie. Okay, so it's ready to go in the oven now for 25 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. So the brownies are now out of the oven and ready to be served, so don't go anywhere. We hope you enjoyed this week's episode, and we'll see you next week. Bye! Oh, and lastly we have a vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And lastly we're gonna put in vanilla, and lastly we're gonna put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Is that good? No. Okay, so the brownies are now out of the oven. Okay, the brownies are ready. Okay, the brownies are out of the oven and ready to be plated up. So don't go anywhere. And we'll see you next week. No, can we write this? So I get so excited.